So are you trying to start or grow your coaching and speaking business? Have you been struggling with trying to attract your ideal clients and getting consistent income? Well, if that is something that you have been struggling with, I have some tips for you today on this video. And if that is something you are interested in, keep watching. Well, hello, awesome people. Today, let's talk about the 4-step funnel. And it's a simplified funnel that I have been using to grow my coaching and speaking business. And this funnel attracts your ideal clients when used correctly. So get that pen and paper and we are going to get started. And if you like our channel, I hope you will become a subscriber and hit that notification bell, ding, ding, ding. And every time we do a video, which is about once a week, you will get notified. So how do we simplify our system? How do we simplify our marketing system? We're busy, we're doing a lot, and we don't want to be overwhelmed, right? So I've come up with a 4-step system that I found that really works if you want to grow your coaching and speaking business. The first step to the system is your lead magnet. And as we know, our lead magnet is something we give away for free of value in exchange for an email and a name. Now we know that an email and a name is very important. So when I create a lead magnet, I want to make sure it's one quick win and it's something that people will download because it speaks to them and then they get in my community, which is my email. So what could that lead magnet be? It can be a cheat sheet. It can be a guide. It could be a roadmap. It doesn't need to be long. It needs to be a quick win. For instance, I have a lead magnet and it is called How to Grow Your Email List from Ground Zero. And in that lead magnet is 8 steps. And when people download that lead magnet, they actually can start their email marketing. And what does that do for people? That gets them into the funnel. So if you're attracting people and they are wanting to know how to grow their email list, then they will download that. Now you might say, well, how do I make this lead magnet? Well, it's very easy to make a lead magnet. You should make it in about 1 to 2 days. You could actually make your lead magnet on Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Canva. And I like to teach people steps make for a good lead magnet. Like it could be so many steps, 5 steps to this or 6 steps to this. Ways, that's another good one. So many ways to do this. These are great lead magnet titles and catchy hooks. And so you actually just put this into your lead magnet and you create it in your document. You turn it to a PDF. Okay, and then you upload your PDF. One of my favorite places is ConvertKit to upload your PDF. Use one of their templates and you get a URL, and now you can put that URL on your LinkedIn or your Instagram or Facebook. And so when you start marketing on those social channels, people can go there and download your lead magnet and get into your email list. And what I really like about ConvertKit is once they download it, they can opt in, which we're going to talk about next. And now you have these subscribers in your list. You can do the same thing for Constant Contact or MailerChimp or wherever you're using your email provider. So that's the first thing. So make sure you have those notes. The second thing now is the opt-in. Okay, so once they see your opt-in page, which can be very simple, and once again, ConvertKit, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can go to ConvertKit and sign up for free. And so when they go to your opt-in page, you only need about 3 things on your opt-in page. You go to ConvertKit, you use one of their templates, and the 3 things that you need would be the title of your lead magnet, a few bullets of what they're going to find in the lead magnet, and then a button that says download now. That's the opt-in page. And like I say, you can get a template for that from ConvertKit. I'll put that link below. And so the third step to this attraction funnel is the email. Okay, so you've made your lead magnet, right? and it was a quick win, a checklist or a guide or a roadmap, 3 ways to do this or 4 ways to get started with Facebook marketing, or how to grow an email, a Facebook group, or whatever your niche is. And so now you've created your lead magnet. They've downloaded your lead mag. Step 2 is they opt in. Okay, the opt-in page, which is the lead magnet name, a few bullets telling what's in the lead magnet, and download now. And so we're now at step 3. So once they go to download it and go to the opt-in, they get an email that says confirm their email and go to the download. So when they go to this download, this email page, you can put a few things on that page, because that's where they're going to download the lead magnet. So you can put a welcome phrase. You can put a hook on there. You can put some tips on that page. You can say how maybe you're having a webinar. Maybe you've created an automated webinar. They click to go to webinar. You want to keep them in the funnel. So once they come to the email page, you can customize that page and put a few things on there so that they not only get the download, they get more information. Like I say, maybe you have an automated webinar. Maybe you have an audio series. They can get that audio series. Maybe you have a book, or you want to give them a few free chapters of the book. So put that information on that email page. So once they go to that email page and get that download, now you've given them somewhere else to go. They're staying in your funnel. And so the 4th step is now to nurture them. Okay. Now they're in your system. They have a sample of you because they have your lead magnet. They have gone to your email list, and now they're in your email list. You want to nurture them. You may say, well, how do you nurture them? You nurture them by sending them emails, maybe once a week, no less than twice a month. And so each time you send an email, your email is packed with value, and it's offering them tips or strategies, or it's giving them some trends or insights, something that they want, something that resonates with them. And so now your emails become so valuable to them, they will open them. And sometimes you may have in your email, you may give them another free download, or you may tell them about a training you're having, or you may tell them about a webinar you're having, or you may ask them to get on a discovery call or a clarity call. So now you're nurturing these people. Can you imagine 5 people download your lead magnet? We get really hooked up in numbers. And numbers you don't need to get hooked up in numbers. You need to be hooked up in building the right people in the right relationship. 5 people download your lead magnet. That's 5 new people in your system. 10 people, 20 people, 50 people, 100 people. So now you have 100 people who've downloaded your lead magnet. And you can have 2 lead magnets. Just make sure they match what your audience wants. They've downloaded your lead magnets. Now you have 100 true fans, not just likes and followers, because likes and followers will not bring money to your bank account, but true fans will. So now you have 100 true fans. So let's say you offer something and you're having something for $47. They like you now. They know you. They trust you, and you're having a workshop. And it's a 2-hour workshop, and it's $47 or $37. And what if out of those 100 fans, 30 people take it? You've just made like $1,500. And then you continue to build. Now you have 200 loyal fans. Now you have 300 loyal fans. And as you continue to nurture, you can offer webinars. You can offer workshops. It's always a value of what they want. You can offer mastermind classes. You can let them know about your podcast. You can send them to other places where you are building your brand, like LinkedIn. So this 4-step funnel is a very simplified attraction funnel that works. What it does is it turns followers into subscribers, subscribers into paying clients. And now what are you doing? You're building your business where people will want coaching from you. Sometimes people may ask you to speak on your signature talk. And you're continuing to grow your coaching and speaking business. And now you're bringing in consistent income. This is not difficult. This is not hard. This is not overwhelming, and it works. So in summary, step 1 to the funnel is your lead magnet. Step 2 is your opt-in template. Step 3 is they get an email with more information. And step 4, you nurture them in your email campaign. once or twice a month, giving value, and now you start offering things that's in your menu of products. So I hope that this video has helped you. Be sure and check below in the description, because I will put a link down there to where you can get some free resources on how to grow your email list, how to build your brand, and how to grow your coaching and speaking business. Because after all, as I like to always say, the secret sauce to your success is not the algorithm, because it changes all of the time. It's not being overwhelmed. It's not being on every social media site. It's not posting every day and all day. The secret sauce to your success is actually you. It's the choices and decisions you make on a daily basis to build the business and the life that you want to live.